Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are delving into the exquisite world of couture outfits. Couture fashion represents the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship, where every piece is meticulously designed and tailored to perfection. From the runway to red carpet events, couture outfits embody elegance, innovation, and timeless beauty. Whether you're fascinated by the intricate details or the grand designs, this video will explore the essence of couture fashion, its key elements, and how to incorporate couture inspired pieces into your own wardrobe. Let's embark on this journey into the world of haute couture. Couture, derived from the French term haute couture, translates to high saving or high fashion. It refers to the creation of exclusive custom fitted clothing made to order for a specific client. This craftsmanship involved in couture fashion is in parallel, often involving hundreds of hours of handwork. The history of haute couture dates back to the mid 19th century, with Charles Frederick Worth considered the father of haute couture in establishing the first couture in Paris. Couture garments are tailored to fit the wearer perfectly, often requiring multiple fittings to achieve the ideal fit. Only the finest materials are used, including silks, satins, brocades, and rare fabrics. Intricate hand-sewn embellishments such as embroidery, beading, and applique are hallmark of couture. Couture pieces are one-of-a-kind, designed specifically for the client, ensuring exclusivity. Attention to detail and high quality construction techniques ensure that couture garments are long lasting and impeccably made. Christian Dior revolutionized fashion with his new look in 1947, characterized by cinched waist, full skirts, and luxurious fabrics. His designs brought a sense of elegance and femininity back to post war fashion, and House of Dior remains a significant force in haute couture. Coco Chanel is Coco Chanel is known for her timeless and chic designs that redefined women's fashion. Her contributions to couture includes the introduction of the little black dress and Chanel suit, the use of jersey fabric for high fashion. Yves Saint Laurent brought innovation to couture with his daring designs and bold use of color and patterns. His Lee smoking tuxedo for women challenged traditional gender norms and remains iconic piece in fashion history. Couture evening gowns are the epitome of luxury, often featuring dramatic silhouettes, sumptuous fabrics, and elaborate embellishments. These gowns are designed to make a statement at red carpet events and galas, and each piece showcasing the designer's craftsmanship and creativity. Bridal couture offers brides the opportunity to wear a one-of-the-kind gown on its special day. These dresses are tailored to perfection, featuring intricate lace, hand-sewn beading, and personalized details that reflect the bride's unique style. Couture cocktail dresses are perfect for special occasions, offering a blend of sophistication and glamour. These dresses often feature unique cuts, vibrant colors, and luxurious fabrics, making them stand out in any setting. Avant-garde couture pushes the boundaries of fashion, featuring experimental designs and unconventional materials. These pieces are often seen on the runway and in fashion editorials, showcasing the designer's artistic vision and creativity. While true couture pieces are exclusive and often beyond the reach of everyday fashion enthusiasts, you can still incorporate couture inspired elements into your wardrobe. Here are some tips to achieve a couture look without the couture price tag. Choose high quality fabrics and well constructed pieces that will stand the test of time. Look for garments with fine details such as hand stitched seams, luxurious fabrics, and unique embellishments. A key aspect of couture fashion is the perfect fit. Invest in tailoring to ensure your clothes fit you impeccably. A well tailored garment can elevate your entire look, giving it a bespoke feel. Incorporate statement pieces into your wardrobe, such as beautifully embellished jacket, a unique dress, or an intricately designed top. These pieces can serve as a focal point of your outfit, adding a touch of couture glamour. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips. Bye for now.